All right, good morning again. Second video for the day, talking about extra credit. All right, so again, I'm using fifth period as an example because that's our first period this week. So you can get extra credit for the last unit, well, for this class in general, by completing your table of contents. I know in the beginning we created a table of contents document together, but since then I've rethought it or thought it over, and I think this might be a cleaner way to do it. So we're going to have a table of contents per unit. Okay, so if we were meeting in person and we had physical notebooks, you would do a notebook check. And because this is obviously not physical notebooks, I'm doing something equivalent and I'm making it extra credit because I don't want you to get buried under piles of 0 points or no credit because you haven't been keeping up. Because you'll see why in a minute. Okay, so uh, it'll be posted. It's scheduled right now in period 5, but it'll be posted once you watch this video. So what I've done is I've created a document called Unit 0 Table of Contents. You click on it. Okay, when it opens, I've actually pre-filled it. So it's probably one of the easiest extra credit assignments you could have in this class. So per date, we've had roughly about 10 assignments. I've excluded some assignments because they didn't have points attached to them, or you couldn't attach or link documents to them. Actually, now that I look at it, some of the Nearpods here you won't be able to attach it either. So this is going to serve two purposes. If you do it, you will see what you've done and what you haven't in the yes or no column. And then you'll also have the links available to you. And so this video is mainly about how to create the links. All right. So what you'll do is go to a place where you can look at all your classes. Okay, that's the best place I've seen the how to access your Google Drive for this class, right? So under fifth period, if you should have a folder icon here. And if you click on it, okay, you should have documents, right? So this is my um, my Google Drive. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will go to what you should be able to see. Okay, so I create copies of the documents and I keep them in my drive. Okay, so you should see something like this, like a collection of documents like this. All right, so again, under classes or where you see your tiles for your classes, folder icon, and then now it should open to what should look like this. All right, so then you go in. Okay, so article CO2 slowdown due to coronavirus. Okay, so that's something that should be here somewhere. I'm gonna look for it. Hopefully it is. Da, 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 da. Yeah, here it is. I just called it something different. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to right click it and click on get link. Okay, copy link. Come over here and highlight it. Right click, link, and I'm going to paste that, what I copied, and apply. Okay, so now it's going to be linked to that document. And what I click here is I say yes, and I'm done with that. Okay, so go down the line and create links and get the extra credit. It's 10 extra credit points. Okay, that's quite a bit. That's half an assignment usually. So it will also help you with your grade if you're struggling, and it will give you, it'll be a good indication of how you're doing in this class, right? So we're just getting started on unit 1. So hopefully, to me, when I looked at my progress, it gave me motivation to do better. So hopefully that'll happen with you too. All right. So that's extra credit for the day or for this. Yeah. And if you have questions, obviously we'll be in class. You can ask. Otherwise, see you in class.